Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a virtual load balancing server using the NetScaler ADC console. First thing you need to do is go to the load balancing node inside of traffic management, select the servers. This helps you to define the internal resources that you are load balancing. In this case, we have a red, a blue, and a green server. You select the add option, define the settings, and create. Then you create the services. The services are telling the NetScaler how to communicate with those backend services, i.e. the port and the protocol. And so we have a service red, blue, and green that are attached to the servers. Then you create a virtual server, and the virtual server is then going to use those machines that you've defined internally and load balance across these. And you notice that all three of these, the state is up. We set up some additional settings like persistence. We look at the method, how will it define the connection. And when you're done, your server should be in an up state. So you now have a virtual load balancing server. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in our next demonstration.